Good morning, this is Varkanath SK, Assistant Professor, Department of EEE, SJB Bangalore. Welcome to the course on Smart Grid. Today's topic of discussion will be on key features of dynamic energy management systems. So let us go into today's topic of discussion. So the key features of dynamic energy management systems are incorporating end user flexibility. So meaning to say customers which is having enormous options, so they can participate in the DEM process. So customers flexibility, DMS will build with the state of art system. They should have the ability to make use of the customer business logic and is applicable to its own operations. Next one is the simplicity of operations. This will be a key feature. For easy user adoption of the DEM process, the user interface for the system will have to be concise and intuitive for non-technical people. The system will need to work right out of the box with no programming requirements. This will be needed to have behave autonomously based on the effective initial default and the machine learning. Leverage on the IT standards with respect to the building customs. So one of the most important ways to keep the cost low, this has to have the existing trends in its technology. The use of the existing IT technology in the system wherever possible is an important way to keep the cost on the lower side. The public internet and the private corporate LAN and WAN, they are ideal platforms for the controls and communications due to their ubiquity and especially in large commercial buildings. So in addition to it, the performance of the IT equipment like routers and firewalls, they continue to improve and equipment prices, they continue to drop. So dynamic energy management system, they are based on standard IT platforms which also tend to be more scalable and secure than the special purpose systems developed specifically for the purpose. Next point of discussion will be on the open system architecture and universal gateway essential for integrated system operations. The important concept in the DEM process architecture is that the layers of protocol across all the systems, they are quite common. So seamless communications and control activity, they can occur. And open system architecture, this is essential in integrating the system operations, thereby monitoring and controlling the different devices from the central location or anywhere in the network. So next point of discussion will be on integration with the existing building energy system management system essential. So one of the advantages of state-of-art dynamic DEM process to have tight integration with any existing ECS and EMS enterprise system within the building. So this strategy optimizes the performance distribution and availability of the building data, thereby minimizing the installation and the maintenance cost. So in systems in which they are highly integrated with the enterprise networks and the internet, managing the flow of information is greatly simplified. So making use of open standards interoperability. Next one is the flat architecture essential for OBA and the low-cost systems. So with the making use of HMI protocol and with the making a TCP/IP Cisco-based protocol networking communication, they are one of the key features of dynamic energy management systems. So any queries, any doubts with respect to today's topic of discussion, you guys can write down to varkanath@sjbt.edu.in. Thanks for watching the video, and we'll meet up in one more topic of discussion. Thank you, one and all.